In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section in Todoist. Adding sections is a simple but powerful way to keep your projects organized and easy to manage. Instead of having one long list of tasks, you can break things up into clear groups like today, this week, ideas, or any custom structure that works for you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few tips so you can get the most out of sections once you've added them. First, open Todoist and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your list of projects. Look through your projects and choose the one where you want to add a new section. This might be a work project, a personal project, or anything you've already created. Click on that project to open it so you can see all the tasks inside. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top or upper right area of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Todoist keeps additional actions and settings for that specific project. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Add Section. Go ahead and click on Add Section. As soon as you do this, Todoist will start guiding you through what to do next with on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to type a name for your new section. Choose a clear and meaningful title that reflects the kind of task you plan to put there. For example, you might write High Priority, In Progress, or Completed this week. Once you've typed the name, confirm or save it by following the prompt on the screen. After the section is created, you'll see it appear inside your project. You can now drag and drop existing tasks into this new section, or create new tasks directly under it. Take a moment to adjust the order of your sections if needed, so the most important groups appear at the top. That's all there is to it. By clicking on your project, opening the 3-dot menu, choosing Add Section, and following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly organize your tasks into neat, focused groups and keep your projects much easier to manage.